All right, so welcome to America's Smart Home. This is one of the features that DR Horton offers in all their Signature Series homes and their Express homes. So this is the technology behind the smart home. We're able to talk to control every part of the house. It's going to be set up on the basic. You're going to get, you can unlock your door, you can change your temperature. There's going to be like one light you can change. But the software is here. You have to pay for the app for your phone. The first year is included for free. So if you want to expand to the system, you're more than welcome to. So Alexa, can you lock the front door?
Okay, here's alarm.com. Okay, locking the front door.
Turn on the light in the hallway.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the thermostat to 73 degrees.
The AC is set to 73.
You're going to get an Amazon Echo Dot touchscreen control panel. You get an alarm app. You get a Sky Bell in the front that has a camera, thermostat, and a Z-Wave switch, and a code on your front door, a quick set lock. So what's really nice about these homes is that they're already set up with smart home technology.